Okay, talk about hotels in 1 minute without any pause.
Okay. Hotels. Actually, when we bored to eat at home regularly, so that time we choose another option to go hotel, and it's to taste different things. So hotel, there are so many items in hotel, so we can eat, or we can enjoy with family in the hotels. Hotels are hotel is a very important business in very important business in the all places. uh, for that, we have to for that, if we do any hotel management course before start a hotel business, so definitely that person can be get success in hotel business. Hotel, currently in pandemic situation, the hotel business are completely slack, or um, they are not able to do their business due to pandemic situation. So after some release, government has allowed to give some parcels. So because of that exemption, uh, um, uh, hotel owners could service or return their business, but
Talk about
many of the
business.
business, uh, uh, business is business. If we think about business, so definitely we need some knowledge about any business, particular business. If you think that we have to do business like uh, uh, packaging carton, making carton, packaging cartons. If I had to do that business, so before that I have to collect some details. I have to collect some information from uh, some uh, um, um, somebody or some as a institute. I will have to give some experience, so that we can get success in that business. Also, to be get success in the business, we have to do some discipline, business discipline, like we have to work. We have to be punctual on work. We have to be strict on the work. We have to think. We have to understandable that there might be ups and down in the business. So we should not fear if we face any down trend. So that time we have to stand properly. We have to think. We have to plan properly if in a downtrend. So uh, there is a success after failure. So definitely, when we do a proper plan to get the success in the business, mm, we can do any type of business.
Right. Talk about knowledge.
Knowledge. Um, Currently, I'm suffering from lack of knowledge. See, if I'm trying to say about any point, but I'm not able to gather the things in my mind, because of maybe their lack of reading, lack of hearing, and lack of concentration issue. So that might be issue with me. That's why I'm not able to collect the data in my mind, or I'm not able to present at right time. So that is the problem with me. if anybody if collect the knowledge or increase their knowledge in all the areas, so definitely he can talk properly on any type of points. So if you want to talk on any points, so definitely you have to gain some knowledge by reading, by listening, by watching the TV. So we have to be update ourselves. So knowledge is very important. If anybody doesn't have knowledge, he cannot speak more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. So definitely, if you have knowledge, so you can guide someone, you can guide your younger ones.
Talk about success.
Success. Success is also equivalent to knowledge. If we don't have knowledge, we did not we don't get success. So no everybody don't get the success by their luck. So we have to do hard works, we have to gain some knowledge, then only we can plan properly, plan properly, plan proactively to get the success in our any type of goal. So to achieve our goal, to achieve the success, we have to make the plan, and that plan we have to follow with the proper discipline. So that discipline can that discipline can get the success. If I want to if I have to success to speak in English, definitely I have to follow the rules which was told by sir. So definitely we will get the success in coming days. So we have to stick with my plan. We have to follow the plan which was given me. We have to be very conscious about our goal to get the success. So for that, for that we have to be
Okay, talk about data.
data. So whenever we work, uh, whenever we work in the company, wherever we work in the company, some data is going to maintain. So if we are working about any particular inbound activity or outbound activity, so we have to make the MIS. So MIS is called as data. So we have to store that data day by day, and uh, that data has to be shared to our customer on daily basis. So data is not only data is not for computer data. We can say uh, uh, our manual data also, which was manually prepared or manually created, and we filed in the hard file, uh, box file. So that data is also uh, uh, that data is also known as data. That file is also known as data. And whenever any customer or any our seniors ask for data, any type of data related to our work, so it should be ready with us at any time. So data uh, data is make data is uh, uh, data makes our work complete, because without data we cannot do uh, um, any work properly.
Talk about reading.
Sorry.
Reading.
Reading. uh, Reading habits is good habits, because by daily reading or half an hour reading, we can um, we can trust our tongue uh, properly, because lack of reading also, the main of the reason to spoken English is reading also. If we don't have, if I don't have habit to loud reading on daily basis, then definitely we will find difficulties to speak in English. So uh, um, uh, reading is also important, and we can read various type of books to get the knowledge and get the success. So definitely uh, every person has to read at least half an hour on daily basis before sleeping. So this is a good habit that we have to follow on daily basis. And also we can suggest our kid to read one lesson before sleeping. So ultimately their interest will be increased day by day, and they can target some after some month or days, they can target to read one book in a week, or month, then they a fortnight, then a week. So their hunger will increase by daily reading. So, and also daily reading, we can increase our knowledge, and we can talk on various type. If you read various type of books or newspapers, so we can talk uh, various type of points with anybody. So reading is very important uh, in our day-to-day life.
Hmm. Customer.
Customer. Currently, I am working in service industry. Logistics is a service industry, and currently we are giving service to somebody else. Like we are a 3PL, and there are multiple customer in our company who are for them we are giving service. So customer is our God. So we have to do the work as per SLA, uh, and we have to give a satisfactory result to them, so that they can they will do continuous business with us. If we didn't give the proper service to the customer, so definitely after accomplish a contract, the customer will go out, or they will search another 3PL to get the services. And also as a customer, when we go any hotels or any restaurant, then that time also we expect some good type of service. Like if you order any food, so we expect that that order should be come as early as possible. So uh, customers, he is a demanding end. So he can uh, expect the more things from the service provider. uh,
Okay, next is target.
Target. So target, uh, see, every if we have to if we are doing any work, so we have to set the target. So that at what time, yeah, at and what time we have to complete my this work. So that target we have to complete. If any work, if it is taking 6 hours to complete any work, so we have to target that we have to complete that work in 5 hours. So if I could not complete that work in 5 hours, so at least I could complete. I can complete that work at least the 6 hours, because it is the actually the target of that work is 6 hours. But if we target 1 hour early, so definitely we can work that work in the timeline. So uh, um, every person should target uh, every person should target the things, because before if you target if you select any target, for that we do multiple things like plans, do action. So that we do for achieving the target.